Your resin looks like it is cured, but when you touch it, it's still sticky? Frustrating, right?
Hey, I'm Ellie, and in today's video with Craft Resin, we are diving into one of the most common UV resin issues, that tacky never quite dry finish. I've been working with UV resin for a while, and trust me, if your pieces are stay sticky after curing, there is a reason, and it is usually an easy fix.
One of the biggest causes? Putting your layers too thick. UV light can only penetrate about 1 to 3 millimeters at a time. If you go thicker than that, the light can reach all the way through and you are left with an undercured or sticky underside. Another reason could be UV lamp. Not all lamps are created equal, some just aren't strong enough for resin. We recommend using a lamp that is at least 24 watts and curing each layer for at least 1 to 3 minutes. If the resin is still sticky, the problem may be with the mold. If you're using a thick or dark mold, the UV light will not pass through it properly. That means only the top part of your resin cures while the bottom stays soft. A great fix for this is to flip your mold over and cure from the other side, especially if you are working with thicker designs. And here's something a lot of people overlook: your environment. UV resin cures best in the room when the temperature is between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius and humidity stays under 50%. If it's too cold or humid, the resin may not cure properly, even under a good lamp. So make sure your workspace is warm and dry before you start. One more thing, sunlight. You might think it's hard, but if the sun hits your workspace while you are still putting or decorating, the resin can start to cure too early. That uneven exposure can lead to tacky spots and bubbles. Work in a space away from direct sunlight and only cure under your UV lamp when you're ready. To sum it up, keep your layer thin, use a strong UV lamp, choose translucent molds, work in a warm, low humidity environment, and control your lighting. A sticky UV resin doesn't mean your project is ruined. With a few adjustments, you will be getting clean, glossy, fully cured results every time.
Let us know in the comments if you deal with this issue and how you fix it. And don't forget to subscribe for more resin tips from Craft Resin.